everybody, how are you doing? Welcome to my channel. This is Ogomadi. Thank you for tuning in today. Guys, today I want to show you another low carb swallow. This is for my keto fans or my low carb fans family. Alright, if you are craving a swallow called AMALA, this is for people mostly in Lagos, Nigeria, and I think some other states also eat this. So you know AMALA is from yam, and that's high carbohydrates, high starch. So this is a substitute of what you can use to make your AMALA. Believe me, when you're in a low carb diet or you're in a weight loss diet, you don't really miss much. All you have to do is substitute one thing for the other. So today, this is gonna be our substitute. This is eggplant. It's small because it's organic. I bought it from a farmer's market, so this is the size. It's not like huge, like you know, the modified ones. So anyway, I'm gonna be showing you how to put this together. Within 15 minutes, it should be done. 15 minutes because we're gonna be boiling it. That's why it's taking that long. Okay, so let me show you. But before I start, if you're seeing my face for the first time, hi, welcome to my family. Please go ahead and subscribe. Tap on the notification bell to get notified anytime that I upload any recipe or a video at all. Okay, so also like the video, share this video. Believe me, it will be helpful for somebody somewhere. Leave me a comment if you have any question about this. Please feel free to drop it at the comment box below. I will do my best to respond. I'm very good at that. All right, and you, my returning subscribers, I love you all. God bless you. Thank you for keep coming back. Thank you for all your support. God bless you all. Okay, so let's go into making of this eggplant swallow, aka AMALA. I already washed this properly. I washed it with soap, vinegar, everything, because you know I'm gonna be boiling this and I don't want any germs. So here I already have it cut. All you have to do after you boil it, you're gonna be needing of course your chopping board, the knife, the blender, and the container we have to put it. So you just cut it like in a cube. You're doing this because you want to help your blender when it's already, you know, boiled. We're going to be boiling it, and then after boiling, I'll show you what next to do. So this is just all you're going to do for now. Cut it up into cubes, just not too much, not too big, just you know, reasonable size for the blender, the blade of the blender. Okay, so we keep cutting. Remember, you chop off the head. You don't need the head. You chop up just the part, you know. All right, now we're done cutting the eggplant. We're going to transfer it into the pot. You're going to need a wide pot for this to give the eggplants room to boil properly. And you're going to add water. Enough water. So I'm going to be boiling this on high for 10 to 12 minutes, or like I said, 10 to 12 minutes, or you can touch it with your fork and see if it's tender enough for you. Okay, so 12 minutes is actually 12 minutes, so it's very soft and tender. I'm gonna take it out of the pot without the water because I don't need water to blend it. So I'm putting it in the coriander so that it could drain excess water. Eggplant has a lot of water. Okay, so from here we'll go to the next thing. Next thing now is to go ahead and blend our eggplant. You see it changed color. Remember that AMALA is black, or do I say dark brown in color? So that's what we're looking for here, and it tastes like that too. It might not be 100% the same way, but let me say 85% like AMALA. It tastes like that. Give it a try, guys. Don't just take my word. Go ahead and give it a try. So I'm gonna blend it to smooth, really smooth. Let me start from low then to high. And guys, you don't blend with water, please, because it's already cooked and very tender, super soft. All you do is just go ahead and blend till smooth. Okay, okay guys, you see this inside, it's smooth enough. You can even use your spice grinder if that's what you have. So right now There are two methods. It's either you go ahead, this is going to be our binder. This is psyllium husk. This is what you use all the time to bind any vegetable you're turning into swallow. So I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon. But let me tell you something. You could add it here and blend more and then it's done. But for me, I like to go to the stove and do mine and turn it just exactly the same way that we turn the amala. So that way, you know, it's easier to quickly solidify, and then we leave it to get cool and we eat. So right now, let's go to the stove where I'm gonna be turning it. So I'm putting it. So now I'm pouring it into the pot. Don't add water, guys. It's liquidy enough. So I increase my light a little bit here, and I just go ahead and stir it. Like a minute, then I add the psyllium husk. Okay, keep stirring. Alright, this is the psyllium husk, and I'm putting a tablespoon. A tablespoon is actually the recommended serve for the day. Alright, so then we go ahead and stir. As you can see, it's gradually coming together. All you do is you do this for like 5 minutes and that's it, or 4 minutes even. Alright guys, so this is it. And the next step is you get your cling wrap. This is what you're going to be wrapping your amala with. And you just scoop out some, put on the wrap. You see that? Is that not the color of amala that we buy from the street and all that? Now you're not missing out, guys. You just get your ewedu or your okra soup or ila soup or whatever soup you like, you know, and then you use it and gobble down your meal. Just tie it up, you know. You're gonna let it cool. When it's cool, you're gonna see it solidify. Look at that, guys. Look at that. That is your eggplant amala, okay? And this is a nice portion for one person. Alright guys, so this is it, our eggplant amala, ready to go. Like I said, use any kind of soup that you want and enjoy yourself. Please go ahead and make this meal. I'm telling you, you will really love it. So guys, this is it. Thank you for joining me today. Go ahead and try this out. You will really like it, believe me. If you have any questions, put it down in the comment box below. And guys, once again, my membership is activated on my channel. You see that blue button that says join. Go ahead and join to support. I have two level of perks. You know, you want to grow your channel, you want to reach your 4,000 watch hour quickly. These are part of the perks you're going to be getting both in the level 1 and the level 2. Also, if you join the level 2, which is $4.99 per month, I will teach you how to lose weight in 3 weeks. It's a promise. In 3 weeks, naturally, okay? I did it, it worked for me, and I've helped a lot of people. So this is going to be part of the perk. We're going to be having private live stream for members only. Also, I teach you how you can start your own business if you're interested in having a business by the side. I don't just wait for my 9-to-5 job. I do business by the side. A lot of business, so many people don't know, some knows. But this is part of the perks you're going to be getting if you join the membership for $4.99. Or if you have a business and it's not thriving, I can help you with that. We're going to talk. We're going to do a lot of stuff that's going to, help you to make your business boom. So let me know which one you like, or go ahead and just join the channel. We have the one for $1.99. We have for $4.99. Go ahead and join whichever one that you think works for you, okay? See you some other time in another video. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like the video, share the video, leave your comment, tap on that bell to get notified anytime that I upload any video, okay? And whatever you do, keep your hands straight. Stay safe, stay blessed, and God will surely bless each and every one of you. Bye.